Most people think writing a book takes months, even years. But with AI, you can go from a blank page to a fully outlined and drafted book within 10 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We'll generate a complete outline in seconds, draft full chapters section by section, and polish everything into a professional manuscript, all on screen in real time. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you how to take this process further to build multiple income streams from just one book. Step 1. Generate the book idea. First, let's come up with an idea. I'll ask ChatGPT, give me 5 beginner-friendly book ideas in health and wellness that are practical and easy to implement. Here we go. Let's pick one. The 10-day health reset. That's catchy, practical, and something beginners would love. Now, step 2, generate the outline. Now, let's create a full book outline. I'll start by typing a prompt like, create a detailed 5-chapter outline for a nonfiction book titled The 10-Day Health Reset. Each chapter should include 3 to 4 subsections with practical examples in simple daily habits. And there it is, a professional outline in seconds. 5 chapters, each broken down into clear, actionable parts. This becomes our roadmap. Now, step 3, drafting chapter sections. Now, let's draft a section. Instead of asking for an entire chapter, we'll guide the AI one piece at a time. Now, here's our prompt. Write 600 words for chapter 1, section 1. Why your morning shapes your day. Include at least one scientific study and a real-world story of someone who changed their life through morning habits. Now watch this. In under a minute, we've got a fully fleshed out section that's polished, structured, and ready to drop into our draft. If we repeat this process section by section, we could build the full manuscript in just 10 minutes. Now step 4, drafting the rest of the book. Now let's speed things up and build the rest of our book. I'll run prompts for the remaining sections of chapter 1, then I'll move through chapters 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each time, I'm giving AI a specific guided prompt section by section. The process is repeatable, fast, and keeps the quality high. Now, while the rest of these chapters generate, this is exactly the kind of workflow I teach in my complete course. Inside, I break everything down step by step. The exact prompts I use to build outlines, how to polish drafts into professional manuscripts, how to create cinematic covers, and even how to turn one book into multiple income streams. If you're serious about publishing, this is the blueprint that takes you from zero to a full publishing system you can scale. The link is below if you want to check it out. And as you can see, in just a few minutes, we've drafted all 5 chapters. That's an entire book built section by section, ready to polish and publish. Now, step 5, polishing the draft. Of course, you don't want to just copy and paste and publish. Once your draft is complete, bring it into Grammarly or a similar editing tool. This step fixes grammar, improves flow, and ensures your book sounds professional. Remember, speed gets you a draft, but polishing makes it publish ready. Step 6, designing the cover. You also need a strong cover. Even if you only have 24 hours, Canva gives you templates you can customize quickly, or you can generate a cinematic design with AI and tweak it inside of Canva. This way, your book looks professional right out of the gate. We started with an idea, generated a 5-chapter outline in seconds, drafted each section with AI, fast-forwarded through an entire book build, polished it in Grammarly, and created a professional cover. This is how you can go from zero to a full manuscript in under 10 minutes of AI work and be published ready in under 24 hours. And if you want my exact prompts, formatting strategies, and workflows I use to turn one book into 15 plus income streams, that's exactly what I teach in my complete course. The link is below if you're ready to get serious about publishing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.